Yo, what is good, fam? So today I have a simple video. It's just about resetting the maintenance light after you do your oil change, and it's fairly simple on the RSX. You simply just have to press this guy, the odometer trip button. Press and hold it as you turn the ignition to the second. Let me see if this thing could focus. To the second dash, which is like right here, which is ignition on. Once you turn that into on, you got to have this pressed already, and it should reset after a couple of seconds of holding it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. Key is in the ignition. I still haven't turned it on. I'm pressing and holding the odometer button, as you can see here, and ignition is on, and you see it should start blinking. There you go. It just disappeared. So I let go, turn the ignition off, and then turn the ignition back on, and it should disappear. Boom, like so. And I'll just turn the car on so you can see all the lights are off. The maintenance light has reset, and you're all good to go. And now you finished and completed your oil change. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video because I have more content coming your way.